Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, after you add in all your orders, your products, for example, if you have orders, you have some products, customers, and you've been changing whatever you like in your store, and now you want to start testing it. So basically, you will need just to go to the online store and then click on view your store so you can interact with it. And here you will find all your items. You can click on shop also. You can go to your catalog, everything. You can start by price, sorting by price or filtering by price, and you can add the availability and many other testings or many other interactions. So basically, you will be able to test your store from any side. So after that, if you want, for example, to test your payments, you can do so by going, for example, to your payments, like going to settings, and then you go to payments, and then you will need just to activate the test mode. So here in your payments, you will need just to click on adding providers. So here we can find add the payment method, or you will need just to search for providers, and by clicking on manage you can find this bogus, and it is just a way to test your payments too. And basically, you can start creating some fake orders or just draft orders. So you can test how they are reacting with your store, and you can do as many customizing as you want. And also for your store, you can start customizing it from here and then testing it again by clicking on View Store in real time and then click on any feature, for example, the search in, and you can test anything that you would like. Also, the cards, you can test many things that you have in your store. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.